Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we are going to unbox the Happy Happenings kit. It's a new kit, and you guys, it is so cute. So we've got the ink spot is Mossy Meadow, and then we've got our stamps. Happily Ever After, Thank You, Welcome Baby, and then some other little words there. And then we've got all the stuff. So what I love about the kits is that we are going to get everything we need. So even if you're brand new to stamping, you get a kit and you've got everything you need. It already came with the stamps. It came with the ink. And now let's see what else it comes with. It's gonna come with a block so you can put your stamps on. So we've got the acrylic block here. And it's nice. It's a nice thick acrylic block. It's got some tape. So you've got your adhesives. We also have another package here. Let's see. We've got some embellishments. These are clear and they're different sizes. I'll lose those probably. We also have some mini glue dots. So these are also adhesives. And then some Stampin' Dimensional minis. Again, another form of adhesive. So with the mini dots, you can pop stuff up. And then, let's see, we've got some envelopes here, beautiful. And I love that it's all gonna match. I already know this. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. We're going to be able to make 9 cards, minimum of 9 cards, because you can also, like I could cut these in half and make 2 cards out of 1 if I made alternatives. So we've got these and they're beautiful. They're not your regular card. It's going to make a nice rounded oval card. So we've got 3 of that, looks like cloud cover color. And then it comes with some labels to be able to stamp on. We've got a yellow. What color do you think that is? Maybe the Darling Duckling. And I love that it's already white on the inside, so you don't even have to put something on the inside. It's just ready to go. And then we have, what color is this? Let's see. I'm not too sure. Is it a petal pink, perhaps? I'll have to look, but it's very pretty. It's a peachy color, but it's not the peach pie, I don't believe. We will see. And then we've got more labels and flags in those same colors. We've got some flowers in, excuse me. I've got some flowers in that color, as well as some more flowers in that Timid Tiger color. Ooh, and now we've got some big, beautiful labels here. So I don't know if they're going to be for the background or what, because I haven't looked at the pictures yet, but we'll look at the pictures shortly. So we have those. Again, there's 3 sets of the 3, and that's going to be like 9 different cards we could make alternatively. So you can just use these in different ways. And I'm betting there's 3 of these too. 1, 2, and 3 of these scallop frames, and then this decorative frame as well. And I'm looking, you probably use the insides and the outsides. So it gives you the opportunity to not only make cards as is, but to think outside the box. And if you're a junk journaler, you can use this for the ephemera as well. So here is some ephemera These are leaves and more leaves on a stem. More flowers, beautiful. Look how many flowers they give you. And then we've got some, they're not called engraved, but they are, I can't think of the word. No, I can't think of the word. I kept wanting to say engraved. Anyways, they come out and they're going to be a nice scalloped, lacy background. But then look at this piece. You can use this for something as well. So, comes with some chipboard to keep everything straight, but it's so nice to be able to use those for other things. All right, so here's the stamps, and we had to wait so I could show you exactly what everything was. And they come in different languages, but I got the English, so you just take this and you can wrap it around your stamp set. And then you see I tuck mine inside of a CD case. We've got, again, the happily ever after, the thank you, the welcome baby. And now we can read this better. It says kindly deliver to. So that can go on your envelope. And then this says for all you do, from all of us, sweet little one. Congratulations. We've got little tiny flowers, little tiny leaves. We've got the inside of the flower, the inside of the flower, the inside of the flower, and then some little dots. So very cute. And now we have all the directions. And let's see, here are the colors. So yes, that was cloud clover. That was Daffodil Delight. Oh no, I called it Darling Duckling. That was actually Daffodil Delight. The Mossy Meadow, which is the ink. Old Olive, which is the color of those leaves. The Petal Pink, that is that pinkish color. And I did guess right. And then Timid Tiger, which was those flowers. So it helps because if you're going to be making alternatives, you know, I could use a Timid Tiger for a background instead of using these, and use my stamps and all kinds of fun stuff. So now we're going to see what they want. And yes, this was for the envelope. And then look at all of these different cards you can make. And look at how many flowers are on there. So we've got lots of flowers. If you wanted to only put like maybe 3 flowers on here and decorate with something else or another little stamp or something. There's just so many alternatives. And then we have directions for all of these cards. And here you go. So, just so you know, today is the last day for free shipping. But if you wanted to order at least one of these and then place it onto your order, free shipping is for over $75 today, and it ends at midnight Mountain Time. So actually 11:59 Mountain Time. So, but if you want to order this kit, next month I will be putting this kit together and during our kit together. So let me know. It's all online. We could, we all get on Zoom and we show alternatives and put them together as is. I'll also be doing some online videos as well to ramp up for this. So I hope you want to partake in that. And even if you don't want to partake, maybe get the kit for yourself. It would be wonderful to make some great cards. All right, so you can go to beautyandthestamper.com and click on the shop Stampin' Up, or you can go direct to Stampin' Up through jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. So I hope you like this. And again, if you're new to card making, but you love paper crafts, junk journaling, and all of that stuff, this would be a perfect starter for you. So let me know if you are interested as well. If you need more information, feel free to get in contact with me. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.